WRSR, Owasso, Flint. The following program has been pre-recorded and is paid for by Discover Flint Township. The views expressed are those of Discover Flint Township and do not necessarily reflect the views of 103.9 The Fox or Krill Communications, Inc. Welcome to Discover Flint Township, a program showcasing our local community. Flint Township is ready for your next move. And now, your host, Flint Township Economic Enhancement Director, Tracy Tucker.
This is Discover Flint Township, brought to you by Flint Township Economic Development Authorities, HAP, Financial Plus Credit Union, and Shea Automotive Group. We're wide awake, and we hope you are too. This morning, we are speaking with Stacy and Mackenzie from Shea Automotive Group, and we have a couple of surprise guests later in the show. Hi, Stacy and Mackenzie.
Hi, Tracy. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. It's great to have you both back. It's been a couple weeks, but I hear you have a couple guests.
We do. You got that right. We'd like to welcome our guests today. We have twin sisters, Cindy Froreep and Shari Soja. I pronounced them right. That's right. All right, perfect.
Nailed it.
That's always the hardest part of the show, is making sure we have everybody's names proper.
Yes, and thank you for wearing your kitchen tune-up outfit so I can tell you guys apart. Yeah. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to. So thank you guys.
I wore my hair up on purpose.
Yeah. I love that.
That helps us out a little bit.
Yes.
Well, we'd like to thank you for being here. You know, as you're aware, Shea Automotive Group is a huge supporter in women and women in business. So, Cindy, can you tell us a little bit about your business, what you own, and what you do?
I own a company called Kitchen Tune-Up. It's I'm part of a franchise group that is 34 years old for the franchise group. We're just new to this area.
Okay.
So I've had it for about a year now in the area, and it's just exploding in business. We remodel kitchens. We also are doing some bathrooms now too, and everything from countertop to drawer slides to new cabinets, custom, and then just refreshes.
Perfect. So you may reface cabinets or go in with a whole new, brand new kitchen.
Yes.
I think you're working on a kitchen for one of our She and Shays, Ileana Bevins, are you not?
I am.
Okay,
I am.
good.
Full kitchen.
Full kitchen. There you go. Okay, great. Well, we love it. And where are you based out of?
I'm based out of Fenton.
Okay.
On Thompson Road. Actually, I share space with my sister.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, great.
And now you said you opened up a year ago?
Yes.
What a time to open up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you had any struggles, or how has it been?
It has been surprisingly busy. The only delay was with the state licensing, which was a little tough. I had to get my builder's license, which I did, but my test was actually canceled 3 times by the state. So that was a struggle, but we got right in, and it's been busy from day one. I think people decided if you're going to be stuck in your house
Right.
and cook for yourself, you're going to do it in a nice kitchen.
There you go.
And so we have not, we're doing record numbers.
That's fantastic.
Across the whole company.
Well, congratulations.
That's awesome. Yeah. And we love supporting local communities and local businesses in our community. So we love that.